I asked Claude to review my ebook, which is Write That Prompt. And I have already explained in my previous videos, and like I have explained in my blog as well, like what exactly Write That Prompt is. And so I have explained about this ebook, like how exactly it helps you in prompt engineering, how exactly it helps you in crafting the prompts, in crafting effective prompts which will generate effective responses from ChatGPT. So these things I've already explained. So here is an interesting thing I did. So welcome back to my channel, and I hope all of you are doing well. I hope all of you are doing well on Sunday. And so I did this interesting thing, like I asked Claude to take on the role of a enthusiastic reader, like the one who reads an ebook and the one who reviews it. So I told it to take a role of an enthusiastic reader and review my ebook, write that prompt. So I attached my ebook in that prompt. So what Claude did and what review it gave, so that particular thing I will include it in my description. I will include the link of the blog so that you also get an idea, like how Claude reviewed my ebook and what were the opinions of the Claude, what opinion it gave about my ebook. And the next thing I did is, like I told it to take on the role of a review blog writer, like someone who uses a product or a service and then writes a review of that product or a service. So Claude took that role as well, and then it wrote a detailed review about my ebook, Write That Prompt. So this is what exactly it did, and this is the interesting thing I did. And like I hope you are getting value from my channel, and I also hope you got some value from my previous video, like how I ended up saving 1,000 rupees with the help of ChatGPT. So the focus over here is on this particular topic, like the Claude reviewed, and I used Claude 3.5 Sonnet for this particular purpose, and because I don't have a paid subscription of Claude, and the paid subscription is not really needed when it comes to Claude, because Claude 3.5 Sonnet itself is effective, and it is a really very good, and it is on par when it comes, if you compare it with ChatGPT. So, but because I use ChatGPT frequently, and Claude is a favorite when it comes to AI influencers, so like that is the reason I asked Claude to review my ebook. I did the same exercise with ChatGPT as well, but because since Claude is a favorite amongst the, like amongst the AI influencers, so that is why I did this exercise with Claude. And I will include the link of the blog, like what exactly was the review of the Claude and how exactly this particular ebook it is beneficial for my readers, and how exactly it will help them in crafting effective prompts. And so I have explained each and everything step by step in this particular ebook. And so the thing is that for a limited time, like this particular ebook, I'm giving it at a really discounted price. And this is the offer going on right now. And if you want this ebook for yourself, and if you feel this ebook will, like provide you value, and you will learn prompt engineering, you will learn how to use ChatGPT through this particular ebook, then like I'm giving you this particular offer. And so like I will include my PayPal ID in the description, and I will include my UPI number as well. Like if you are from India, you can purchase this ebook via UPI. And I am like selling this particular ebook for 1.99 USD, $1.99. So that is my offer, and that is the offer that I'm giving currently. So you can pay via PayPal if you are from another country, like if you are from USA, if you are from Canada, if you are from UK, if you are from Australia, or if you are from a country where PayPal is used frequently, and so that you can pay via PayPal. I will include my PayPal ID in the description, and I will also include my UPI ID. And the moment you pay via PayPal, and the moment you pay via Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm, or via UPI, so you just have to include your email address in the comment, so that the very next moment I can email you my ebook. So this is the process that you have to follow, and this is the thing, and you will receive lots and lots of value through this ebook. And currently I'm also giving some bonuses. So once you purchase the ebook, and so you will get those bonuses for yourself. So if you got value from this particular video, and if you got value from if you are getting value from my content, and if you feel that you this the value which I'm delivering, it is giving you a lot of value, and you're learning a lot, so please do like this video, and please mention in the comment section. Please give me suggestions in the comment section, if you have any particular suggestions for me, and if you feel that like if you want me to cover any particular topic when it comes to AI and prompt engineering, please do mention it in the suggestions, like in the comments. Suggestions are always welcome, and please do share this video more and more on social media, so that others also get to know about my ebook. And and please share it more and more in your network, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm also I have started a new page which is Prompt Alchemy, where I keep on sharing potent prompts. You can google the meaning of potent means basically a more effective version of a normal prompt, which in turn generates effective results from any AI, or from any or from chatgpt. So you can follow my Instagram page, and also, of course, subscribe to my channel. Until then, this is Basil signing off.